The 77 is Boeing's future, one more time. Because it's going to take people where they want to go, when they want to.
In the future, engineers and designers from around the world will work together to help us fly even more efficiently. And the best efficiency In the future, environmental concerns must be addressed more effectively than ever before. Engines will deliver better performance while burning less fuel. Innovative design and new materials will dramatically reduce the noise impact on communities and in the cabin.